Number 1. 1984 Ford 4x4 shortbed, $6,500, Ajo, Arizona. This 1984 Ford 4x4 shortbed pickup represents a classic example of a rugged, utilitarian American truck from the early 1980s. Equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission, it offers the kind of raw driving experience enthusiasts appreciate. Although the odometer is broken and the truck has been sitting since 2012, the fact that it still runs is a strong starting point for a restoration project. The body is described as solid, which is crucial for a vehicle of this age, especially a step-side configuration that is increasingly hard to find. With its four-wheel drive capability and desirable short bed layout, this truck has solid potential as a collectible or off-road project. Number 2. 1986 Toyota Pickup 2WD Factory Turbo, $6,000, Boring, Oregon. This 1986 Toyota pickup features a rare factory turbocharged 22RE engine with an automatic transmission, a combination not commonly found. With 180,000 miles, it shows typical wear, but runs and drives well after long-term storage. The body remains solid with a respectable interior, making it a good candidate for light restoration. Minor issues include an inoperative door handle, aging tires, and needed exhaust work. Toyota pickups from this era are known for durability, and the turbo variant adds. Number 3. 1971 Ford F-100 Ranger XLT, $12,000 in Florence, Colorado. This 1971 Ford F-100 Ranger XLT is a highly desirable classic full-size pickup, especially given its one-owner history and extremely low original mileage of just 24,209 miles. Powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it offers both performance and comfort. Extensive recent maintenance, including new mechanical components and a fully serviced braking system, ensures it is road-ready. The long bed, rear-wheel drive configuration reflects its original utility purpose, while the Ranger XLT trim adds a level of refinement. This truck represents a well-preserved and increasingly collectible example of early 1970s American pickups. Number 4. 1961 Ford F-100, $12,000, Cannon City, Colorado. This 1961 Ford F-100 is a near-complete project truck that captures the iconic styling of early 1960s pickups. Featuring a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it blends classic design with more modern drivability upgrades. The odometer has rolled over, which is typical for vehicles of this era, and the indicated mileage of 160 miles likely reflects post-restoration progress. With the project reportedly close to completion, it offers an excellent opportunity for a buyer to finish and customize a desirable vintage truck. The clean title and solid condition further enhance its appeal. Number 5. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino, $14,500, Hood River, Oregon. This 1966 Chevrolet El Camino is a heavily modified performance build, far from a stock classic. Powered by a massive 482 cubic inch big block V8 engine with high-performance components including a Holley carburetor, MSD ignition system, and hooker headers, it is clearly built for drag racing or high-performance driving. The TH400 transmission has been recently rebuilt, and the vehicle features upgraded suspension, braking, and safety components, such as a 6-point roll cage. While not original, this El Camino represents a serious enthusiast build with significant investment, appealing to buyers seeking a street and strip machine rather than a factory-correct restoration. Number 6. 1979 GMC Caballero, $11,500, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. The 1979 GMC Caballero is a stylish and less common counterpart to the Chevrolet El Camino, offering a blend of utility and car-like comfort. This example, with just over 83,000 miles, is described as running great and in good condition, making it an excellent entry-level classic. Its V8 engine and automatic transmission provide smooth performance, while the custom paint adds a unique touch. As a starter classic, it is well suited for enthusiasts looking to enter the vintage vehicle market with something distinctive yet practical.
Number 7. 1985 Volkswagen Transporter Diesel, $12,000, Carlsbad, California. This 1985 Volkswagen Transporter is a European import, powered by a 1.6-liter diesel engine, producing approximately 50 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. While not fast, these vehicles are known for their durability and efficiency. Imported from Germany in 2020, it offers unique appeal in the United States market. The body is in good condition with minor rust in the bed and faded paint, which is typical for its age. With functioning electrical systems and a simple mechanical setup, this transporter is ideal for collectors seeking a practical and characterful vintage utility vehicle. Number 8. 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, $19,950, Elk, California. This 1950 Chevrolet 3100 is a well-maintained post-war pickup showcasing classic American design. It features a freshly rebuilt 235 cubic inch inline-six engine, manual transmission, and recent upgrades including brakes, upholstery, and shocks. With 64,000 miles, it is described as an excellent condition daily driver, combining vintage charm with usability. The 3100 series is highly collectible, and this example's condition makes it especially desirable. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet S10 long bed, $7,850, Austin, Texas. This 1985 Chevrolet S10 long bed is a clean and largely original compact pickup, powered by a 2.8-liter V6 engine and automatic transmission. With just 77,500 miles, it stands out for its relatively low mileage and well-preserved condition. The truck runs reliably and starts easily, with only minor cosmetic or age-related issues noted. While not a high-performance vehicle, the S10 is appreciated for its practicality and simplicity. This example, with a clean title and mostly factory configuration, represents a solid and affordable entry into classic truck ownership. Number 10. 1988 Dodge Ram D250, $2,500, Wikieup, Arizona. This 1988 Dodge Ram D250 is a budget-friendly project or parts truck, offering a 3/4-ton platform with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. The engine runs, which is a positive sign, though the unusual placement of the fuel tank in the bed indicates modification or repair needs. The presence of factory air conditioning components is a bonus, as these can be valuable and difficult to source. With a dented bed and overall project condition, this truck is best suited for restoration enthusiasts or as a donor vehicle for parts. Number 11. 1989 Dodge D250 Cummins Diesel, $16,500, McKinney, Texas. This 1989 Dodge D250 is a highly desirable diesel-powered classic, featuring the legendary 5.9-liter Cummins engine known for its durability and torque. With only 97,425 original miles and documentation from the original owner, it represents a well-preserved example. The truck has been reconditioned both inside and out, including new tires and an upgraded aluminum radiator.
Its two-wheel drive configuration, automatic transmission, and long bed design make it practical and comfortable for everyday use. Clean history and strong maintenance records further enhance its value, making it a standout collectible among late 1980s diesel trucks.